Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the new Skar King from Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with a close-up of the new Skar King from Godzilla vs. Kong: The New Empire, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring it back here. Kind of like a rounded, wavy check mark. Next, we just want to curve down and then up here. Now, I'm going to leave some space and we'll make the other eye. I'll do that same thing. I'll just kind of come down, up and down, making it a little smaller. Then I'll just go down and up for that other eye. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down like this. Then a line that's going to come up. And we're going to bring this down here. Then I'll make another line that's going to come in. Then we'll just color this in for the nostrils right here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make kind of like a broken line. It's going to come out. It's going to come up and then down. We'll go over and down again. Then I'm just going to come up. We're going to go down and round this over. I'm going to bring this line down here. And I'll kind of curve this line down here. We'll add a couple little extra lines right around the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then a line that's going to go down and come right up here into the eye. Same thing here. We're going to go up and down. Then we're going to go down and out. I'll add a little extra line over there. Now, for the inside of the eye, let's draw a little circle like this. And then I'm going to draw a circle like this. Inside, I'll make a pupil, and I'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. And then same thing here, I'm going to color in just a little bit, leaving it white. And still leaving a little bit of white on the outside. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a broken line. It's just going to kind of come up. And I'll do the same thing here. A broken line is going to come up and over. Now I'm going to draw a few little broken lines right in here for some wrinkles. Next, I'm going to make a few little curved lines here. And then right up here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out. It's going to come down and in, and then it's going to go out and then in here. Starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up. We're going to go out and then in. Then we're going to come out and in again. Now I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up and then down here. I'm going to curve this around and then bring this up. And then make a few little lines here. And a few little lines over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and in. And then I'm going to bring this line down and then over. Then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come in and then go down and in again. Then we're going to come over. I'm going to go up and then down to connect it, kind of like the outside of the mouth. Now to start on the inside, let's start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over. Let's go down. Let's come over here, and then we'll end it right there as we kind of curve up. Now I want to add some teeth in here. I'm going to start right here by drawing a big fang that just goes down and kind of curves up like an upside down teardrop. Then I'll curve this up and down and then come over. Curve this up and down and over, up and down and over, and then one small one here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then curve it around. Then right here I'm going to curve this line up. We're going to come down and around. We'll go up, over and down, and we'll just kind of repeat this a few times. And then I'll bring this one up and down. Now I'm going to curve this down, and then we'll bring a little line right down here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down for the tongue. One more, and I'm going to bring this down, curve this up and down here. And then we'll add a few little kind of broken lines in here for kind of like the details in the mouth, with a little broken line down the tongue, and then a few curved lines for some more teeth back there. Next, I'm going to add a few little broken lines around here. And then I'm going to put a few little kind of broken lines that are just going to come up here for some detail on the mouth of our Skar King. And I'll even do some little kind of broken lines down here as well. Then right here, I'm going to add a couple little lines that curve down. And I'll bring a couple little lines that curve up right there. Now, underneath here, I'm going to make this kind of like pointed little line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring it up just to kind of show some fur. And then right out here to kind of shape out the face, I'm going to make some pointed lines that are just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring these down here. And then I'm going to make these pointed lines that are going to come right to about here. Make a line that's going to come up and then back in here for the ear. And some kind of pointed lines up. We'll add a little broken line that curves around, and then one more, a little detail up there. And then I'm going to bring this line down. Lots of points to make it look like he's really furry, and then we're going to bring this down and then around to here. Next, I'm going to bring some lines that come over. And then I'm going to bring this line down. And to kind of show where his arm is, I'm going to make these big kind of pointed lines that come down here just to kind of show some fur. Now, he's got this kind of like spine that goes around here. You can tell it's like something from one of the Titans that he's killed before. So to make this, I'm just going to start by making a curved line. This is going to curve around here. And then I'll make another one, kind of like these partial oval shapes that are not all the way connected. I'll do another one here that just comes down and up. Then I'll do one up here. I'm not going to put quite as much detail into these because it would take so long, but we're just going to kind of get a basic shape. So I'm going to start here by making a little curved line that comes down off each one. Then I'm going to come up and down. So we just go up and down. We'll make a little oval shape off of each one here. Make a little line that's going to come down and then bring it up. Go down and bring it up. This one we're just going to come down and over. Make a little line that's going to come over here. Then off to the side, I'm going to make a little line that comes out on each one. Make a little oval shape that's going to go up and down. come back up. Big little line's going to come in on each one. Then we're just going to come down and then up. Go down and then up. And you'll kind of run into some of these other ones. Make a little line that's going to go out and in, out and in, out and in. We'll do that same thing on the other side. Just kind of go out and in. Then we'll connect it with some little more, or a few more little lines. A couple little lines down the middle. And then some little lines across here. Then we'll make some little curved lines right along here just to show some more detail. Just kind of a simple way to make that kind of bone spine structure. We'll go down, add a couple more little bumps here. And then I always like to add just some broken lines kind of around these bone shapes just to give it a little bit more detail. Just kind of broken lines along some of the curved parts. Then I'm going to make some pointed lines that come right down here. And then we'll just make some little curved lines up here by his eyes. Next, just to add some detail, we're going to make some little wrinkles across top of his head. And then just a couple little kind of broken lines right along the face here. I'm going to add some quick little lines right around here. And we're just going to make some more coming right across here. For add some more hair and details. Even some more on the chin. And then we'll add a few coming right around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Skar King. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.